Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about mathematics of class 10th, and now we are going to start a new chapter 3rd, pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so let's start this chapter. And so first of all, what is this linear equation? We will define what is this linear equation. So a equation whose degree is 1 is known as linear equation. Means एक ऐसा equation whose degree is 1 is known as linear equation. But we have to study linear equation in two variable. Let's see the example. This 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable, because here only x is variable. But if we will look the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, then we can see clearly, that here is x and y both are variable. So here two variables are there, so it is a linear equation in two variable. Okay, we can say another variable like 3a plus 4b is equal to 7. So this is also another equation. So here a and b are the variables. Okay, now look into the general form of pair of linear equation. General form of pair of linear equation. So whenever the linear pair of linear equation will be given, we first put it in this form, like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Okay, now let's discuss what are the various methods to solve this linear equation. So there are two methods basically, algebraic method and two categories of the methods. Means one is algebraic method and second one is graphical method. When we will solve the linear equation by using graph paper and by drawing the graph of the lines, see this linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is a straight line. This represents a straight line, and we will draw these two straight line. When on the graph paper, they will certainly cut at a point, and that point will be the solution of these equation. Okay, so hope you are very understood about all these things. So one of the method is graphical method and another method is algebraic method. In the algebraic method there are three separate methods are there. First is elimination method, second is substitution method, and cross multiplication method. Third one is cross multiplication method. We will see one by one these equations. Before we will discuss these solution and these equation, we need to discuss the very important topic, nature of solution and its geometrical meaning. Means these pair of equation will represent which type of line they are, whether they represent intersecting line or they represent coincidence line or they represent parallel line. Okay, so how it is decided, how it will be कि इनको जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो when we will get solution or not, कि हमें solution मिलेगा कि solution नहीं मिलेगा. तो केस फर्स्ट when a1 is equal to a2 which is not equal to b1 upon b2, मीन्स यहाँ से हमें a1 और a2 और b1 और b2 को यहाँ से कंपेयर करना है. जब हम यहाँ पे इनका रेशियो देखते हैं और ये नॉट इक्वल हो, बोथ आर अनइक्वल, तो इन दिस केस द pair of equation has unique solution, and geometrically it will represent two intersecting line. When this condition will be follow, ये कंडीशन जब फॉलो होगी तो द इक्वेशन पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन हैज़ यूनिक सोल्यूशन एंड इट विल रिप्रेजेंट ज्योमेट्रिकली इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन. मतलब जब ग्राफ पेपर पे हम लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो इट विल सर्टेनली कट एट अ पॉइंट. एक पॉइंट पे कट करेगा तो वही जो पॉइंट पे जहाँ कट करेगा, जहाँ पे ये दोनों लाइन मीट कर रही हैं, दैट लाइन विल बी द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, केस सेकेंड. Case second, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then there is infinite many solution, and practically, geometrically it will represent overlapping or coincident lines, overlapping and coincidence lines. ओवरलैपिंग एंड कोइंसिडेंस लाइंस का मीनिंग क्या है कि दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे के ऊपर होंगी, मीन्स वो इनफाइनाइट मेनी पॉइंट पर एक दूसरे से मिल रही होंगी। सी केस फर्स्ट में क्या था, सिर्फ एक पॉइंट पे दोनों एक दूसरे को कट कर रही थी, यहाँ क्या है, इनफाइनाइट मेनी पॉइंट पे दोनों एक दूसरे को कट कर रही हैं। और अभी द लास्ट सिचुएशन, केस थर्ड, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 which is not equal to c1 upon c2, then there is no solution, means these line will be parallel। और पैरेलल होने का मतलब ये है कि ये लाइन कभी भी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगी, मीन्स देयर विल बी नो सॉल्यूशन। ओके, एंड सी यहाँ पे कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट करके भी जो है क्लासिफिकेशन होता है। वेन एवर वी आर गेटिंग द सोल्यूशन, वेदर वी आर गेटिंग वन सोल्यूशन और मेनी सोल्यूशन, then it will be, whenever we are getting solution, it will be one solution or any, though it will be